In this video, we're going to do some multiplication. So if we have a problem that says multiply 12 times 2, we're going to solve this problem in the traditional way that you'll be solving them going forward. We've been using models to do this up until now, so we're going to switch now to how it's really done normally. So the models were there to help you in your mind understand why it's done this way. So if you want to, you could take a look at, as a refresher, some of the other videos I've done using models, and you can find them in the link below. So let's go through each step. The first step is multiply the ones. Okay, so that's how we did it with the models. We broke down each place value and multiplied it individually. So that's what we're going to do first. So we're going to do 2 times 2 first, which is 4. And then the next step, then we multiply the tens, and it'll look like this. Now we do 2 times 1. You could see the two numbers that are highlighted now are these two, and then the answer to that is 2. And you put that in the tens place because we're multiplying the tens. So we already did the ones, and that's already there. So finally, the product is 24. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. We'll do other problems like this that are a little bit more complicated, and you're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. And make sure to check out the link I have below for the ebook so you can follow along with the ebook.